everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe, and welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of Ware Community. So, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic which someone had asked that ma'am, how to start the preparation of maths topic for the CUT exam. Because I know some people are there who has already started and few people who are विलिंग टू स्टार्ट बट दे आर कंफ्यूज कि मैम स्टार्ट कैसे किया जाए या फिर एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है कैसे प्रिपेयर करूं नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर देयर आई नो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस डेफिनेटली whenever we start new thing we always confused so we will discuss on हाउ टू स्टार्ट कि एग्जैक्टली प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है स्टार्ट कैसे करना है इस प्रिपरेशन को इस पूरी जर्नी को स्टार्ट कैसे करना है वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दिस इन दिस वीडियो and it will be helpful to you. So if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe the channel because आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारे videos मिलेंगे जो आपके daily के questions हैं. You can ask those doubt in the comment box. You will get the video on that, all your doubts on all your questions. And yes, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that सारे notifications मिले तो आपको सारे doubts आपके यहीं पे क्लियर हो जाए एंड यू विल गेट दिस सीरीज ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आल्सो तो सारे जो एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है उसकी भी सीरीज चल रही है सो यू विल गेट ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस and even there are few important topics so related to that topics few tricks or few questions you will see all you will get all the things in the on this channel so you can subscribe it you can press the bell icon and if you like it you can like the video and if your friends are preparing you can share with your friends also. So let's start. Now we will directly jump on the topic. So here we are going to discuss how to start the preparation. कि मैम मुझे CUET 25 के लिए यहाँ पे CUET के लिए प्रिपेयर तो करना है अभी तो मैं किस में क्या हूँ डोंट नो एट व्हाट स्टेज आई एम आई रियली डोंट नो एनीथिंग बट आई जस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन तो मैं क्या करूँ तो यू विल गेट टू नो कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट इट ओके सो विल अंडरस्टैंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप लेट्स जंप हियर नाउ सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज first of all if you are really willing to start the preparation and आपको एग्जाम क्लियर करना ही है आप रियली willing कि मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए इस वे में मुझे प्रैक्टिस करनी है इस वे में मुझे प्रिपेयर करना है तो for any exam the first important point is a understand the exam pattern that what is the exam pattern for which paper I have to prepare what will be the syllabus so understand the pattern and syllabus of the exam कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली किस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है मुझे सीयूटी इसमें मुझे कौन से पेपर के लिए कौन से पेपर के लिए prepare करना है COQP paper number which one so it is the paper number 11 paper number 12 so if I am preparing for this paper then what is exactly the syllabus what will be the pattern of that exam how many questions will be there in that exam so in which topics will be there will be the maths or there will be the LR also or there will be the English क्या इसमें GK भी होगा या फिर कंप्यूटर भी होगा कोई और भी टॉपिक्स है if there is a maths and LR then what will be the weightage of English what will be the weightage of GK or the computer awareness or whatever the time does it include the DI if it include then what will be the weightage of DI so you have to understand the overall pattern and the complete syllabus कि पैटर्न क्या है कितने मार्क्स के लिए आएगा हर एक मार्क्स में मींस हर एक में which topics will be there maths will be there LR will be there DI will be there English will be there GK will be there which topics will be there and from these topics again like from the maths in which topics will be there whether there will be the arithmetic or there will be the advanced maths also क्या advanced maths भी इसमें आएगा whether there will be the DI included या फिर DI नहीं होगा so you have to understand complete pattern and complete syllabus before starting the preparation this will help you to clear your vision इसमें आपका विजन क्लियर हो जाएगा कि मुझे ये टॉपिक के वेटेज है ये टॉपिक आएगा एग्जाम में ये इंपॉर्टेंट है सो आई कैन स्टडी दिस टॉपिक्स ओनली I know that कि ये टॉपिक एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा तो I cannot waste my time in this topic. I can skip that topic because I know कि no one is going to ask you in the exam. So you can skip that topic and this is the most important. So this should be the first step. to understand the pattern and to understand the syllabus. So note down the all syllabus, go through the overall pattern, overall analysis of this pattern and the syllabus. Okay, so this should be your first step for the preparation. Then what will be the next step? Once you understand the pattern, once you clear कि मुझे क्या क्या syllabus learn करना है, exactly मुझे क्या क्या करना है, and in that syllabus again arithmetic आएगा तो arithmetic का कितना weightage है, DI आएगा तो DI का कितना weightage है, so how much time should I give, how much exactly how should I start, that one you will get to know by this pattern and exam the syllabus. Okay, so this is the first step. Then what should be your second step? Second step is evaluate your current level. Once we get to know कि एग्जाम का पैटर्न क्या है एंड सिलेबस क्या है, देन माय नेक्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विल बी इवेल्युएट माय करंट लेवल की एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई एम नाउ, where I stands, what are my strengths, means this is the syllabus. Okay, there is the arithmetic, in that arithmetic there will be the average, there will be the ratio, there will be the percentage, there will be the profit loss, SICI, there will be time and work, pipe and cistern, time speed distance. Like suppose these are the topic, maybe there is the advanced maths, in that advanced maths I have to study the permutation and combination. Number of topics are there, right? There is can be the geometry, there can be the mensuration, these are the topics suppose, so number of topics are there. Then I have to find out my strength and my weakness, that in which topic I am totally weak कि मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं है. There might be few topics that yes I am strong in this topic, I can do this, or there are few topics which I know little bit but I don't remember it, but I required a revision. By revising it, by practicing it, I can change that weakness or I can change that okay level to the best level. So we have to know, you have to know that exactly what is your current level. तो सबसे पहले इसे समझो कि मैं कहाँ पे stand कर रहा हूँ, what are my strengths, what are my weakness, which are your strength, that one you will require only the normal revision, you won't require a more practice, so you can do it in the less time, so that you can manage your time by using it. And if any topic in which you are weak but you know that weightage is a more, how do you know weightage is more? Because you have already seen the exam pattern and syllabus. So by looking at that, and now you know that this is my weak topic. Suppose I know that SICI. I know there will be the 2 to 3 questions from the SICI. Okay, for example, there will be the 2 questions from the SICI, and I am weak in this topic. Now I know कि at least 2 questions तो आएंगे, so I should do this. And I am weak, so I can give more time for this SICI. Right? I can give the more time. Similarly, suppose I am weak in the profit and loss. Okay, you are weak in a profit and loss, but there will be only one question. That is also they rarely asked. So you can say कि okay at the last जब मेरे पास time कम होगा, I can go through it, but I don't have to waste too much time because there will be rarely one question, maybe rarely one question. So I can do, means I can manage the time by using this कि अरे चलो ये topic थोड़ा सा rarely करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, तो भी थोड़ा सा भी करते तो भी चलेगा, but no, this topic like the time and work, pipe and cistern, I know that there will be 4 to 5 questions from this topic. So whether that topic is a weak or it is a strong, I must have to do it. So you have to know what are your strengths, what are your weakness, and what is the weightage of your strength, what is the weightage of your weakness, so that you can decide ki how much time you can give for that specific topic. So the second is evaluate your current level, where you stand. This is the most important. Okay, this should be your second step. Then what will be the next step? Now, once you know the syllabus, once you know the exam pattern, once you know ki in this topics I'm strong, in this topic I'm a weak, and I know all those things now, right? I have already evaluated my level. I have known, I have go through all the syllabus, all the pattern. Now the third is whenever I'm starting the preparation, you should know your study material selection. That how will I select it? So if you are going for the book, if you are looking for the book, then always you can go for this आरिस्ट अग्रवाल बुक. एज वी नो दैट ये बुक हमेशा हेल्प करता है सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए, आपके क्वांट अरिथमेटिक, इट कवर्स ऑल द थिंग्स. सो फॉर द बुक्स दिस इज रियली important. Then what should be your study material? If you are going through any coaching, whether it is online, offline, you are going through any online material, what are online resources. So if you are going, if you are there is any coaching, then you should prefer your coaching notes. Why coaching notes? Because that in that coaching यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट कि हम नॉर्मली कोई बुक रीड करते हैं और कोचिंग में किसी ने मुझे वो सिखाया है, समवन हैज टॉट मी, सो ऑब्वियसली दैट हेल्प्स मी मोर बिकॉज आई हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, मैंने वो क्लास अटेंड किया है, तो मैंने देखा है कि मैम या टीचर जो भी हमारे ट्यूटर्स है वो कैसे टीच कर रहे हैं, एग्जैक्टली किस वे से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सो दैट हेल्प्स यू द मोस्ट. So you have to go through the coaching notes. So if you are going for any coaching, whether it is online, offline, always take the notes. Okay, this is really most important. Even I always tell, explain the class में भी मेरे एक हमेशा criteria होता है कि आपको notes लेना है because this is really important. So coaching notes are important and online resources. If you are going through the online resources, then you can go through all those. Like you can go through the online mock test कि आपको कौन सी online mock test लेनी है. Online कहीं पे कोई PDFs available है, I will study from that. It can be the online resources. Okay, from wherever you are studying, this should be your study material. Okay, once you get to know the syllabus. Second thing, now you know what are your strength, what are your weakness. Third thing, now you have a books or you have the questions, you have a number of things to practice कि जिससे मुझे study करना है. So you have a study material also. Now the next point, while preparing, what should be the next point? Once you know the books, next is the concept clarity. So for this concept clarity, your foundation should be strong. Basic things you should be strong, like the squares, cubes, tables. This should be the strong, so that you can save your time. Your calculation speed will be better, and it will be helpful to. It will help the most. बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा while practicing, while solving the questions, while doing anything. If you know the basic things, it will help you. And again, concept clarity. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles behind each topic before moving on to more advanced problem. किसी भी टॉपिक का एडवांस प्रॉब्लम करने से पहले जो भी बेसिक है उसके जो फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स है, दैट एग्जैक्टली वेयर फ्रॉम वेयर डज इट कम, ये कहाँ से आया, कैसे आया, क्यों हो रहा है, कहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली चेंज होगा, किस क्वेश्चन में ऐसी ट्रिक यूज होगी, या फिर किस क्वेश्चन में मुझे ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, किस क्वेश्चन में ये वाला कंसेप्ट चलेगा. Concept clarity is the most important. So clear your concept. It can be through the books, it can be through the online your coaching notes, it can be through your online resources, it can be through anywhere. कहीं से भी करो. I'm not saying कि यहीं से करना है कोई specific, no. But first of all, clear your concept. This is really the most important. This will help you the most in the exam. ओके, सो कंसेप्ट क्लैरिटी. जब भी आप प्रिपरेशन बुक मिल गया है तो स्टार्टिंग फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट से ही करना, डायरेक्टली एडवांस पे नहीं जाना है. डोंट गो फॉर एडवांस्ड, just go through the fundamental, go through the basic things first, clear that things first, then go for the advanced problem. Okay, so this should be the most important topic, most important point, concept clarity. After that, for preparing, what we require? Regular practice. Of course, practice makes man perfect. Practice is the key to mastering the maths. Especially for the maths, there is no any substitute for practice. कुछ है ही नहीं सब्स्टिट्यूट की विदाउट प्रैक्टिस मेरा मैथ्स बेटर हो गया, इम्पॉसिबल. फॉर दिस मैथ्स यू विल ऑलवेज रिक्वायर द प्रैक्टिस. सो प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. allocate a specific time each day for practicing mathematical problem. Don't do like कि मैं वीकली 2 दिन मैथ्स करूंगा, बाकी के दिन में बाकी सारे टॉपिक्स होगा. नो, you have to do the maths on each and every day. ईच एंड एवरी डे. बाकी के टॉपिक्स कभी कभी करते तो भी हो जाता है, लेकिन मैथ्स के लिए प्रैक्टिस इज नेसेसरी. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ईच एंड एवरी डे, एटलीस्ट वन टॉपिक, हाफ टॉपिक, वन कंसेप्ट, एनीथिंग. But you have to allocate a specific time that yes, daily 2 hours, daily 3 hours, I will do give for the maths. This is really most important. And start with easier problems first and gradually move on to more challenging ones. You gain the confidence. This is again most important. Never start with the advanced problems. Obviously, confidence पूरा चला जाए. So if you have to gain the confidence, if you have to boost the confidence, then start with the basic problem, with the easier problems. Once you can solve it easily, then you can slowly increase the level जिससे आपका confidence gain होगा. So always start with easier problems, start with easier, and then gradually move on to more challenging ones as you gain the confidence. So practice is really most important. प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रॉपरली समझो, कंसेप्ट को समझो, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, पहले इजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, देन गो टू द एडवांस लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स. This should be a sequence of practicing. Okay, so this is the important point. Then the next is what? While preparing, now you will say मैम स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी को तो लास्ट में देखेंगे, पहले प्रैक्टिस तो स्टार्ट करें या फिर पहले प्रिपरेशन तो स्टार्ट कर दूं. बट नो, वर्क ऑन स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ. But see, this is really important. Accuracy is important. You are solving number of questions, but all questions are wrong. Useless है. यू आर सॉल्विंग अ करेक्ट क्वेश्चन, आप सारे के सारे स्टेप्स करेक्ट कर रहे हो, बट आप वन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए 10 मिनट्स ले रहे हो. वेस्टेज है, नो यूज. यू आर सॉल्विंग अ 50 प्रॉब्लम्स डेली, 50 क्वेश्चंस डेली, बट ऑल आर रॉन्ग. नो यूज. So speed and accuracy, both things are really important. So practice solving problems quickly while maintaining the accuracy. ये क्विकली कैसे सॉल्व होगा? सो टाइम योरसेल्फ while solving the practice papers to improve your speed. Time yourself, like use the timer, that is really important. And while using the timer, accuracy is also important. Don't do like कि मैम मैं फास्ट फास्ट कर रहा हूँ बट सारे रॉन्ग आ रहे हैं, मैम मैं सब करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ बट बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ले रहा हूँ. नो, दिस बोथ थिंग्स आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. जितना स्पीड इंपॉर्टेंट है, सेम लेवल पे एक्यूरेसी इंपॉर्टेंट है. So both are important, and it won't happen in the last month of the exam or at the day of on the day of the exam. No, you have to do it from the first day itself. From the first day, maintain your accuracy, then track your time. It will be helpful, and in the exam you won't have to work anything extra. अगर आप अभी से करोगे ना, तो उस टाइम पे आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना है कि या फिर व्हाट विल यू डू. नाउ यू आर जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग नॉर्मल नॉर्मल नॉर्मल. एट द एंड ऑफ द एग्जाम, जब आपका एग्जाम आएगा एट द लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द एग्जाम, विल सी मैम हाउ टू वर्क ऑन एक्यूरेसी, नाउ हाउ टू वर्क ऑन स्पीड. मैम हो तो रहा है बट फास्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है, मैम सॉल्व हो रहा है लेकिन रॉन्ग आ रहा है. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग इट फ्रॉम नाउ इटसेल्फ, then at that time you don't have to work on anything extra, because it will be like a habit. It will be a habit कि मुझे फास्ट करने की हैबिट हो रही है. It is a habit that yes, I am checking it, my accuracy is correct, I always cross verified. So make it habit. So you have to make a habit of speed and accuracy. This is really important. Okay, make a habit of it. The habit बना. Speed and accuracy is most important for the exam. Then this is from the first day of preparation. I am repeating it. You have to work on this from the first day of preparation. Then next is seek help when needed. This is really most important. You will say, "Ma'am, ये क्या बोल रहे हो? आप तो कुछ भी बता रहे हो." But no, most of people do these mistakes. What they do, they shy to ask the doubts. There are number of doubts, but they shy to ask. कि मैम किससे पूछूं? कोई मुझ पे हंसेगा, या फिर whether shall I ask or I can ignore it. There are number of options, right? But always seek help. Whenever you need, ask it. Whenever you need help, ask it. Please ask. You can ask to anyone. Don't hesitate to seek help from your tutors. You can ask your tutors, your mentors, or any online forums are there. Anything is there. It can be your you can ask to anyone. It should not be like that person should be your tutor or mentor only. If you know that your elder brother, elder sister is there who is good in that, you can ask to them. You can ask to anyone, or even if someone is younger than you, but that person is good in that maths or good in some specific topic in which you have a problem, you can ask to that person. So किसी से भी पूछो, but help के लिए पूछो whenever you need. Don't hesitate, don't shy to ask the doubts, to ask for the help. You can ask for help to anyone. So ask to your tutors, mentors, online forums, your friends, family, anyone. You can ask if you are struggling with any concept, any topics. And if you are not ready to ask anyone, just ask in the comment box. That will be also helpful. Okay, I will help you that. So you just have to ask it in the comment box, or you can ask to anyone. So please ask whenever you find out the difficulty. Okay, so this is the most important. Yeah, हम mostly ignore करते हैं, but this is really important point, that seeking help whenever needed. Okay, and then what is the topic? Now, the last but not least for the preparation is the revision. Revision is the most important. Now, how to revise? I will make a separate video for how to revise. but revision is really important. Finally, revise regularly to reinforce your learning and ensure that you retain the concepts you have studied. Or it happens like I have learned something in a past month and now I have done number of topics after that, so I don't remember anything, whichever I have done in the last month. It happens. So revision is most important. Revise it again and again so that you will remember it, because we know that it's the human brain and human brain की आदत होती है भूलना. So whenever you will revise, आप brain को बार बार same चीज बता रहे हो, वो अपने आप grasp कर लेता है. Otherwise brain बना ही भूलने के लिए. So we have to take some time for the revision and just ask your brain that yes, आपको ये याद करना है. Brain को बार बार बताना बहुत important है. Okay, so do the revision again and again. Make concise notes of important formulas, shortcuts, concept for quick revision before the exam. Okay, so always make a separate notebook for the important formulas, for any tricks, for any concepts, whichever are important. Some shortcuts are there, so you have to make notes of all those in a separate notebook, so which you can refer at the time of exam. So revision is most important. So do revision again and again. Always do the revision. That will be helpful. How to do the revision? I will make a separate video on that. If you really wish for this video, अगर आपको सच में ये video चाहिए, then message me in the comment box that yes ma'am, revision video. Just message revision video. Then I will make that video and it will be helpful for you. So this is how you can start your preparation for the exam. These are the steps which you have to follow while starting the preparation. Okay. And if you are looking for a structured program, if you are looking for the proper guidance, if you are looking for the roadmap, you need a proven strategies. And if you are really ready for the exam, and if you really wish to crack the exam in just one attempt, then you can join this test selection workshop. You will get the link in a description box and you can join that link. Your all doubts will get clear there and you will get the proper strategy in that workshop. Okay, so you can attend it, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching it and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.